You've done the hard work, you've done the research, and you have seen your stock climb. But now comes the tough part, knowing when to let go. Now imagine your stock is a balloon and you're holding the string. When do you know it's time to cut it loose? Well, buckle up, क्योंकि इस मास्टर क्लास में we will unlock the key signs that will tell you it's time to sell. Number 1, your stock reaches your financial goal. अब आप इमेजिन करिए कि आपने एक स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट किया है. ओवर टाइम ये स्टेडीली ग्रो करता है और अब आपके फाइनेंशियल टारगेट्स अचीव करता है. Now at this point, selling the stock could help you lock in profits and use the funds for your next investment goal. Now let's take a real world example to understand. Suppose if Infosys hits 1900 rupees and analysts set a target of 2000 rupees, selling at 1900 rupees might align with your goal and technical resistance level. Always align your investments with personal milestones. If you have hit your goal, consider exiting to secure your profits. Number 2, you find a better stock. Suppose आपके पास कंपनी X का स्टॉक है, but you come across company Y, which has better fundamentals, stronger earnings growth, robust management, and a better outlook. Now, instead of sticking with your old position, it's smart to switch to company Y. Let's take a real-world example to understand. Say if you have invested in Wipro, पर आपको लगता है कि टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज यानी TCS का ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट बेटर है, तो विप्रो सेल करके TCS में री इन्वेस्ट करना एक अच्छा ऑप्शन हो सकता है. If a better opportunity comes along, don't hold on to a stock out of loyalty. Sell it and switch to a more promising pick. Number 3, declining profitability. अगर किसी कंपनी का अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ स्लो होने लगे और उसका प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कंटिन्यूअसली डिक्लाइन कर रही हो, तो ये एक रेड फ्लैग है. ऐसे स्टॉक्स लॉन्ग टर्म में लॉसेस दे सकते हैं. चलिए एक रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Consider Reliance Communications in its declining phase. Now, when its earnings report showed continued losses and growing debt, investors who exited during this period avoided heavy losses. If a company's bottom line is shrinking or profits are declining for several quarters, it's time to exit before things get worse. Number 4, overvaluation. Now, you have seen a stock that went from 200 rupees to 500 rupees in a few months, even though there has been no significant change in its fundamentals. ये रैपिड स्पाइक एक प्राइस बबल का सिग्नल हो सकता है जो कभी भी बर्स्ट हो सकता है. Let's take a real world example to understand these things. Look at Zomato during its IPO. स्टॉक प्राइस सर्ज तो हुई, पर कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट्स का बैकिंग नहीं था. अगर आपने पीक पे सेल किया होता तो प्राइस गिरने के बाद के लॉसेस अवॉइड हो जाते. रैपिड प्राइस इंक्रीजेस विदाउट बैकिंग फंडामेंटल्स मे बी अ सिग्नल टू टेक प्रॉफिट्स बिफोर द बबल बर्स्ट. Number 5, stagnant prices, strong fundamentals. Your stock has been performing well fundamentally, but its price remains stagnant. This could indicate कि market sentiment company की performance के साथ align नहीं कर रही है. Let's take a real world example. Bharat Petroleum, BPCL, remained stagnant for a while despite strong earnings. The market's failure to recognize its value signaled that there might be an issue under the surface. Whether it's external market conditions or something internal, investors were overlooking. If a stock is fundamentally solid but its price isn't moving in sync with earnings growth, consider exiting before market catches up or worse, corrects downward. Number 6, risk management and diversification. You might realize that a particular stock has grown to represent too much of your portfolio. Now at this point, it might be smart to sell a portion and diversify to manage your risk better. Let's take a real world example. If you have heavily invested in, let's say, ICICI Bank, and it makes up around 40% of your portfolio, it might be time to sell a portion and redistribute the funds into other sectors or stocks for a balanced growth. Exit a stock if it has grown disproportionately large in your portfolio and rebalance to avoid excessive risk. Number 7, emotional investing. अगर एक स्टॉक होल्ड करना स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी या ज्यादा मेंटल एनर्जी ले रहा हो, तो सेल करना बेटर हो सकता है even if the fundamentals are strong. Let's take a real world example. During the market fluctuations in 2020, many investors in Indiabulls Housing Finance chose to sell their stocks. Well, not because the fundamentals changed, but because the volatility was too unsettling for them. If a stock causes emotional distress, it's okay to sell and focus on investments that align better with your risk tolerance. So in conclusion, exiting a stock isn't about predicting the market's every move. It's about timing your exit with a clear strategy. Now, whether it's achieving your financial goals, finding a better opportunity, or managing risk, the signs are there. So Stay vigilant and don't be afraid to take profits or cut losses when the time is right. That's all in this masterclass. Share your thoughts in the comments and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful videos.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.